Amazon Christmas is running huge offers all over the world, but many of you might not know about the mega deals and big savings on items. Here you'll find incredible discounts of up to 50% across all your favorite product categories. To make it even easier, we've rounded up best 16 Christmas gifts on Amazon that you and your friends will absolutely love that can save you a huge amount. So don't forget to watch till the end. All the mentioned product deals links are in the description below.
Number 16. The SPOTMINDERS Wallet Tracker is a clever and practical accessory for anyone who frequently misplaces their wallet or small valuables. Apple MFI certified, it works seamlessly with the Apple Find My app, allowing users to locate their items quickly and efficiently. Its slim and lightweight design fits neatly into wallets, purses, or pockets without adding bulk. The rechargeable battery is convenient, eliminating the need for replacements, and the device is highly reliable for daily use. It's an ideal stocking stuffer or thoughtful gift for men and women alike, combining practicality with modern technology. Overall, the SPOTMINDERS Wallet Tracker is a smart, stylish, and useful gadget for keeping essentials safe and easy to find.
Number 15. The Cocktail Smoker Kit Holiday Gift Set is an excellent way to bring a touch of sophistication and flavor to drinks and food at home. It allows you to infuse cocktails, whiskey, bourbon, and even cheeses or meats with rich, smoky aromas using the included wood chips. The compact, easy-to-use design makes it simple to add professional-quality smoky flavors without any hassle. This kit is perfect for holiday celebrations, parties, or gifting to friends and family who enjoy mixology or culinary experiments. It's fun, practical, and adds an impressive twist to drinks and dishes. Overall, this cocktail smoker is a stylish, unique, and thoughtful gift for any foodie or home bartender.
Number 14. The Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit is a unique and heartfelt gift that allows couples to create a lasting memory together. The kit includes everything needed to make a detailed, high-quality 3D hand mold, capturing the shape and texture of hands perfectly. It's simple to use, making it accessible for beginners, yet the results are professional-looking and beautiful. This kit is perfect for Christmas, bridal showers, anniversaries, or any special occasion, offering a creative way to commemorate love and connection. The finished cast makes a stunning keepsake to display at home. Overall, the Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit is thoughtful, fun, and meaningful, a perfect gift for couples looking to celebrate their bond in a memorable way.
Number 13. The Bluetooth Speaker Gifts for Men is a compact and versatile wireless speaker perfect for music lovers and casual listeners alike. Its portable design makes it easy to take on trips, hikes, or outdoor gatherings, while the IPX5 waterproof rating ensures it can handle splashes and light rain without worry. The sound quality is impressive for its size, delivering clear highs and punchy bass, making it great for both small parties and personal listening. Pairing via Bluetooth is quick and reliable, and the battery life is sufficient for extended use. Overall, this speaker is an excellent gift for men, suitable for birthdays, holidays, or white elephant exchanges, combining practicality, durability, and fun in one stylish device.
Number 12. Grace and Stella offers a stylish and thoughtful range of gifts that are perfect for any occasion. Their products, from cozy home items to charming personal accessories, are designed with both quality and aesthetics in mind. Each item feels carefully curated, making them ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just showing someone you care. The brand emphasizes practicality without compromising on style, with products that are not only beautiful but also functional. Many of their gift sets come elegantly packaged, saving time while creating a memorable unboxing experience. Overall, Grace and Stella delivers a combination of charm, quality, and creativity, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking for unique, meaningful gifts for women, friends, or loved ones.
Number 11. The Candle Warmer Lamp with Timer Dimmer is a beautiful and practical gift for anyone who loves a cozy, aromatic home. It gently melts wax without an open flame, making it safe to use around kids or pets, while filling the room with pleasant fragrance. The adjustable dimmer allows you to set the perfect lighting mood, and the built-in timer adds convenience and energy efficiency. Its elegant design fits seamlessly into any decor, making it a stylish addition to living rooms, bedrooms, or offices. Ideal as a birthday, housewarming, or thoughtful gift for moms, sisters, or friends, this wax melt warmer combines safety, functionality, and charm, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere in any space.
Number 10. The IFNOW Wearable Blanket Hoodie is the ultimate cozy gift for women, perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or just pampering a loved one. Made from ultra-soft Sherpa material, it feels warm and comforting, ideal for lounging at home during chilly days. The oversized design ensures full coverage and maximum comfort, while the built-in pocket is great for keeping hands warm or storing small items. A standout feature is the included eye mask, perfect for relaxing or taking a quick nap. It's both stylish and practical, making it perfect for moms, girlfriends, or anyone who loves comfort and warmth. Overall, this hoodie blanket is a thoughtful, cozy, and luxurious gift that brings instant relaxation and joy.
Number 9. The One Fire Galaxy projector is a stunning and versatile gift for teens, kids, or anyone who loves a relaxing ambient space. With 15 vibrant colors and 15 white noise options, it creates a soothing and magical atmosphere in any bedroom. The Bluetooth connectivity allows you to sync music with the starry projection, turning the room into a mini light show. The lava lamp effect adds a retro touch, making it both trendy and calming. It's easy to set up and perfect for enhancing sleep, study, or relax. Overall, this projector is a fun, stylish, and practical gift idea for teen girls, boys, or anyone wanting a cozy, visually stunning room environment.
Number 8. The COMFIER Back Massager Seat Cushion is an excellent solution for relieving back tension and discomfort, especially during long hours at the office. With 10 powerful vibration motors, it targets key areas along the back, providing a deep and soothing massage that feels remarkably relaxing. The added heat function enhances muscle relaxation and improves blood circulation, making it ideal for stress relief after a long day. The cushion fits most office chairs and car seats, offering versatile use at home, work, or during travel. Controls are easy to use, allowing you to adjust vibration intensity and heat settings effortlessly. Overall, this massage chair pad. Number 7. The LISEN Retractable Car Charger is a highly convenient and powerful accessory for anyone who spends time on the road. Its 69-watt output ensures ultra-fast charging for the iPhone 17 and other compatible devices, making it perfect for busy commuters or travelers. The retractable cable design is a standout feature, keeping your car clutter-free and making storage effortless. The charger feels durable and premium, with a solid build that fits snugly into the car's power port. It's suitable for both men and women, making it a practical gift for any occasion. Overall, this charger combines speed, convenience, and reliability, delivering efficient charging while maintaining a neat, organized car interior. A must-have gadget for modern drivers. Number 6. The Squad Hero Rechargeable Laser Tag Set is an exciting and action-packed way to bring family and friends together. With 360-degree sensors, the game feels immersive and accurate, detecting hits from any direction. The LCD screens make it easy to track ammo, lives, and team status, adding a real arcade-style feel. The rechargeable feature is a huge bonus. No need to constantly buy batteries, and each charge lasts long enough for multiple rounds of fun. The set of 4 is perfect for group battles, whether indoors or outdoors, and the equipment feels durable and comfortable to hold. Overall, this laser tag set delivers fast-paced entertainment, great technology, and incredible value, making it an ideal Easter gift. Number 5. The Dan&Darci Aqua Fairy Water Gel Kit is a fun and imaginative DIY set that keeps kids entertained for hours.
It lets children create their own magical elf characters in squishy water pets using colorful gels and molds. The process is simple, hands-on, and exciting, as the figures come to life once dipped into water. The kit includes plenty of colors and accessories, allowing kids to mix, match, and design unique creations. It's a great way to encourage creativity, fine motor skills, and sensory play. Parents will appreciate that it's both engaging and mess-friendly. Overall, this Aqua Fairy kit delivers a delightful blend of magic, craft, and play, perfect as a gift or weekend activity for curious, creative kids.
Number 4. The National Geographic Magnetic Marble Run is an exciting and educational STEM set that brings creativity and problem-solving together. With 75 well-designed magnetic pieces, it allows kids and adults to build unique tracks on refrigerators, whiteboards, or any magnetic surface. The magnets are strong enough to hold complex designs, and the trick pieces, like jumps and curves, make each run more thrilling. Building different layouts encourages critical thinking, experimentation, and hands-on learning. The marbles glide smoothly, and it's fun watching your creations come to life. It's also a great activity for families, offering hours of engaging play without screens.
Number 3. The Kaluns Grilling Accessories Set is a fantastic choice for anyone who loves outdoor cooking, making it an ideal Christmas gift for dads, husbands, or any grilling enthusiast. The tools feel sturdy and well-made, offering everything needed for a smooth and enjoyable grilling experience. Each piece is designed with comfort and durability in mind, whether flipping burgers, handling steaks, or managing veggies on the grill. The organized storage case keeps everything neatly in place and easy to carry, which is perfect for backyard BBQs, camping, or tailgating. This set delivers great value with its variety and quality, making grilling more fun and efficient. Overall, it's a thoughtful and practical gift that any grill master will appreciate and use often.
2. The Gifts for Women Basket set of 6 is a thoughtful and beautifully arranged gift option, perfect for Christmas, Mother's Day, birthdays, or any special celebration. Each item in the set feels carefully selected to create a relaxing, pampering experience. From the soothing self-care essentials to the elegant presentation, it's a gift that instantly makes the recipient feel appreciated and cherished. The basket looks premium and ready to gift, saving you time while still offering a meaningful surprise. It's ideal for moms, grandmas, sisters, daughters, or any woman who deserves a little indulgence. Overall, this gift set delivers great value, lovely quality, and a warm personal touch, making it a wonderful choice for celebrating the important women in your life.
Number 1. This portable neck fan is an excellent cooling solution for anyone who spends time outdoors or moves around a lot during hot weather. Its hands-free, bladeless design makes it incredibly safe and comfortable to wear, while the 360-degree cooling system delivers steady airflow around your neck and face. The fan is lightweight, sits securely, and doesn't cause strain even after long use. It offers multiple speed settings, allowing you to adjust the airflow based on your comfort. The battery life is impressive, lasting several hours on a single charge, perfect for commuting, workouts, or travel. Whether you're working, cooking, or simply relaxing, this neck fan keeps you cool without noise or hassle. Overall, it's a practical, modern, and highly convenient personal cooling device for everyday use.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.